The Kilimanjaro for men and women is the flagship jacket in the Firstgear line, often imitated and never duplicated. Gear you can depend on. The jacket is built with Hypertex Waterproof and Breathable 400 denier nylon for weather and abrasion resistance. Its Dayglow version features a polyester exterior that is UV resistant color fast. Fully adjustable D3O T5 CE approved armor at the elbows and shoulders are reinforced with 640 denier nylon for added durability in these high wear areas. Zipper controlled venting at the shoulders and underarms with back exhaust vents keeps you cool, and there is extensive pocketing throughout the jacket. Compression strap adjustments at the biceps and forearms, along with the pull once side belt adjustments, make for a customized fit. For added rain protection, an under-the-helmet rain hood stows away in the collar. Available in a variety of sizes and colors for men and women with a 2-year warranty, the Kilimanjaro jacket. It's the multi-tool of motorcycle outerwear.